Hello and welcome viewers to part 1 of this lesson. It is on a 3-pin plug and its applications. A 3-pin plug is an object with 3 straight pins that is used for connecting a piece of equipment to electricity, usually by fitting it into a socket in a wall. It is of two types, which are the fixed and foldable. The function of the 3-pin plug is to enable the user to provide an electrical path from the socket to the appliance, prevent an electric path being formed between the user and the mains, and to satisfy the requirements of the British standards. This specification places constraints on which materials can be used. Choosing the right materials for the safe and efficient functioning of a plug and cable depends on the ability of the various parts to conduct electricity. Clearly, in our first steps, choosing materials must be to consider the need for electrical conductivity in each part. The parts of the plug which can be divided into those which should be good conductors are the pins made of brass, the fuse element which is inside the fuse, the cable wire is also another conducting part because electricity flows through it. The fuse ends are also conducting parts of the plug. And the fuse clip, all of which are made of copper. As you know, copper is also a good conductor of electricity. The second part includes insulators, which are a cord grip made of nylon, nylon being an insulator will not allow electricity to pass through it. This is a cord grip. The outer shade of the cable wire is also an insulating part, and it is made of PVC. And the fuse body, which is made of ceramic, is also part of the insulating section. The distance he is trying to show you is the ceramic part, which is the body of the fuse. The parts for which conductivity is not a major factor are the cord grip, which we know because it is made of nylon, as previously explained. The grip screws, these screws are what we use to tighten up the grip. The major plug screw is used to tighten up the plug, and the pin screws, all made of steel. The 3-pin plug can be used in an electrical adapter to have a supply from your socket to your appliance, in an electric kettle, in a refrigerator, in a television set, an electric mixer also uses a plug. An electric iron requires a plug for it to function, as well as in an electric cooling pin. Do not connect the cable directly to the socket if the plug is faulty. Instead, replace with a new one and make sure that safety precautions are observed. Watch out for part 2, which is a continuation of this lesson. Thank you.